Hello, everybody. This is the video explaining the how to manage a SMS and follow-ups with your clients, especially when you're actually using Hospitable. Um, let's say the scenario is there is someone that booked a call, booked uh, a property from your properties at Hospitable, and after their stay, they actually left you a review at Hospitable, and you want to follow up with them based on that review. Uh, uh, our example here is very straightforward. We have three cases. The first case of them is the you took a review of 5 star, and the other one is you had a less than 5 star review, and the other one you had the rating but you didn't get a review or a public review, and so you will ask them for a soft rebook. uh, that's it. Very easy thing. So let's get into that and see how the details work inside. The first thing is the webhook. It's configured at Hospitable. So when the kind of event that we're trying to catch happens, that sends a webhook with a payload with the details of that reservation and review. So when you get that review, it will has a ID of the reservation itself. We will use that to actually get the exact reservation, so we can get all the details about that reservation. And afterwards we will do the following. We will be actually sometimes the phone number comes in a misconfigured contact, a contact in the format that does not suit the cool format. So what we're doing here is actually we are using this step. It's a step that doesn't require any connection or anything. It's a built-in tool that is inside make.com that actually converts any number to whatever number format you want. Afterwards, we're actually, this is a kind of um, storing the details of the reservation and the review to Airtable. It's related to the client, so I can't show everything inside here. Afterwards, we're sending the SMS. Here we go. As you can see, we're sending the details, as you can see here. Hi, first name, thank you for the 5-star review, and the property name, and all the other stuff here. This is the under 5-star review. It has the same thing. We can change whatever thing here in the SMS content. And here is the third route. Actually, when there is no rating at the rating does not exist, and we are sending another kind of SMS when that case happens. Thank you for staying at the property name and all of that stuff, and that's it. So now the full thing happens as follows. Once the trigger happens, it goes from one step to the other, and at this point it checks if the route matches the condition and goes to quo if it's over 5. It's equal to 5-star review, and if it's under 5-star review, it goes to that route, and if there are no rating, it goes to that route. That's it. Very easy. And that's it for now.